How do I apply glycerin to my hair?
In this video, we will learn how to apply glycerin to your hair for a healthier, more hydrated look. Glycerin, a natural humectant, can be used as an effective hair treatment to retain moisture and improve hair health. So, let's dive in and find out how to use glycerin for your hair.
What do I need to apply glycerin to my hair?
To apply glycerin to your hair, you will need pure glycerin, water, distilled or filtered is best, a spray bottle, a comb or brush, a towel.
How do I prepare the glycerin mixture?
1. Fill the spray bottle with equal parts glycerin and water. For example, if you're using 2 tablespoons of glycerin, add 2 tablespoons of water as well. This mixture ratio can be adjusted depending on your hair type and desired level of moisture. 2. Shake the bottle well to mix the glycerin and water thoroughly.
How do I apply the glycerin mixture to my hair?
1. Dampen your hair slightly with water using a spray bottle or by running your fingers through your hair under the faucet. 2. Section your hair into manageable parts using a comb or your fingers. This will make it easier to apply the glycerin mixture evenly. 3. Spray the glycerin mixture onto each section of your hair, focusing on the middle and ends, as these are the areas that typically need the most moisture. 4. Gently comb or finger detangle your hair to distribute the glycerin mixture evenly and remove any knots or tangles. 5. Leave the glycerin mixture on your hair for about 30 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a towel to help lock in the moisture. 6. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water.
What are some additional tips for using glycerin on my hair?
Always perform a patch test before using glycerin on your hair to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. For best results, apply the glycerin mixture to freshly washed hair. If your hair is prone to frizz, you can mix glycerin with a leave-in conditioner to help tame flyaways. Glycerin can also be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. Apply the glycerin mixture to your hair and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before shampooing as usual. Applying glycerin to your hair can help lock in moisture and improve overall hair health. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to softer, more hydrated hair. Happy moisturizing!